Hello, let us talk about a simple double pointer in C programming. So let us start straight away. This is the header file which is included, and then use the similar so main function with no return value has been declared. Let us assume we have a variable a which is holding a value of 10, and then we have a pointer. So this pointer holds the address of a. So now if we print a print a pointer, sorry, percentage d slash n, let us include, and then if we say star pointer and compile this, what happens is we will get the value of 10. So that means the value which is present in the address held by this pointer is printed. Now in the similar way, let us have another pointer star ptr1. Okay, so ptr1 is equal to, let us assume this holds the address of pointer. Okay, this pointer holds the address of variable a. We have declared another pointer which holds the address of the previous pointer. So now if we say printf to print the value which is held by this particular pointer, so we use star ptr1, right? Here star ptr prints the value that is held in the address pointed by this pointer. Similarly, we are printing ptr1. So now what should happen is this should print the value that is held in this pointer. Okay, now if we print, what happens is it prints address actually. Okay, so as per definition of double pointer, okay, double pointer is nothing but a pointer which points to the address of another pointer. So if we understand the definition, and if we write a simple program as a beginner, so we can say ptr is also a double pointer. But what happens is when you try to access the contents, the data contents, that means using star ptr1, you can access only address, you cannot access the data, right? So to correct this, we have something called a star. Let us assume we have another star ptr3. Okay, so this is actually a double pointer definition, and ptr3 holds the address of ptr. Okay, now if we print, okay, if we print the value of star ptr3, okay, now you can see the value held by the variable a is printed, because ptr star ptr3 points to the value which is held by ptr, and then another star points to the value of the a. So just as a comment to understand, star ptr3, which is a double pointer, can be understood as star ptr3. So this star ptr3, if you see, points to the value held by ptr1. So that means this will be star ptr1. So star ptr1 is nothing but the value of the variable's address which is held by ptr1, which is nothing but the a's value, which is 10. So this is how we must expand a double pointer in a simple terms for beginners to understand. So I think it is clear. So double pointer should be this way. As per definition, we should not have another pointer and points to its address. So that will not lead to any use, because it just points shows an address but not the actual value which is intended. So basically the need for pointers is to access the address location, but ultimately we should get the value of value that is held in its address location, but not the actual address. We will not do anything with the address. We have something to do with the data only in our programs, not the address. So the correct declaration of double pointer would be this way. Hope we are clear. Please post any questions you have, and please visit our forum.talentive.com to see the 100-day challenge that is posted here, and we post regularly on embedded design blog .blogspot.com. So please visit and let us know your comments. Please post your suggestions to improve content in our channel. Thanks for visiting. Thank you.